Hello, I want to introduce you to the latest developments on AI that we have done on MoneyAGG. So if you go to ai.moneyagg.com, then under auto trades, you click A matches differs. That sidebar called A matches differs. So these will look for matches and differs signals. Then you set your martingale, you set your stake, and then you will click run. So what is happening is, for example, you can see I set my stake as 1 here. My martingale is 1.2 because matches, if you win times 7 of your stake. So there's no need to put a high martingale. What martingale means is if I lose, it's going to multiply the stake by that amount. So I'm going to put 1.2, and then we have the take profit as 70, and we have the stop loss as the number of losses, and I put 40 because sometimes matches and differs has a lot of losses because it's a very risky market, but we have automated it, and now you can be able to make some wins. So what is happening is the system waits until we have a signal. Once we have a signal, it will start trading. Like you can see, like right now, it's just the cursor is just moving from market to market. And as soon as the signal you see there is hit, it takes 4 trades per signal. So if in 4 trades we have not won, it will not take any more trades on that signal. It will wait for a new signal. So what does this solve? So it makes sure that the speed is top notch, and 2, it makes sure that we are no longer relying on a human being to click run on the matches strategy. So it's faster. So once it's faster, you're gonna win more. And trust me, like right now, I'm not worried with the 7 losses that we already incurred because I know one single win with my 1.2 martingale is gonna recover all the amount, and you're gonna see it very, very soon. So let's just wait and see as the signals come in. I had 74 British pounds on my account. Let's see how much we end with. So I'm just waiting for a win from the system, and then a win from the system is going to show you how easy it is to recover with this strategy, unlike other strategies. So we can see right now I'm at 11 losses. Imagine 11 losses. That is 12 losses. And still, if one signal wins, we have all our money back. But remember one thing with matches and differ strategy. Please exercise risk management, because as you can see, if I had full potted my account when I started with 74, right now this account would be at 0. But I'm gonna go above the amount that I had just by winning once, and just like that, see what happens. So I went 13 contracts, I lost 12, I won 1. I'm in profit already. That is a good thing with matches and differs. And if I was doing this manually, I'll probably be late and not be able to catch that signal. But as you can see, I've got the signal. Then we are waiting for another signal, or we could stop there if we feel that that profit is enough for us, because we started at 74, now we are at 90. And that is it for us. That is a very good system that you can go and try out today on ai.moneyagg.com.